People stopped in shock. At a small street stall, flames rose from a fryer, and a green parrot wearing a tiny chef hat was cooking fries. "Is that real?" someone said. Just a few days before, the stall was empty and silent. The old owner was gone, and no one came anymore. Pico, the little parrot who used to watch from nearby, felt the emptiness. One night he decided to try. He picked up a potato, struggled to cut it, and dropped it into hot oil. His first fries were burnt. The next ones were soggy, but Pico kept trying, remembering what he had seen. After many attempts, he finally got it right. Golden, crispy, perfect. The next day, people noticed the stall was open again. But this time, it wasn't the old man. It was Pico. They laughed at first. A parrot cooking fries? But after one bite, everything changed. "These are amazing!" Soon the stall was crowded again, full of life and laughter. And Pico happily chirped to everyone, "Hot fries? Fresh fries?"